Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group in Microsoft Planner. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, group is also a plan. So if we go to My Plans, from there we can start managing our plan or our groups. And basically here, if we go to My Plans, and simply we can find all these plans. And we can find shared, personal, etc. What we are interested in is to create a group of people so we can add them to a plan. So now we will be needing to start managing our plan. So from here, you will be needing to start creating group or sharing this plan with a number of people. So simply, we can find all these labels, etc. This is just a templates for from the Microsoft Planner, and simply here we will find this share button. So basically, as you can see, we can start creating a group, and from here you can give it a name. So let's name it dev, and basically let's just create a group. And now we adding planning to this group. So let's just wait for that plan to be created. And of course, you will need to already have your organization that has this group, depends on the organization. And now we can see the details. And basically, we can find these groups. So we can also find this group that we have here. And this is our group. We can start adding member. You can choose any member that you like. You start inviting, and basically you will have the group here. And after that, you can start having your email addresses or group names there. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.